But let's really assess the drop in demand. And here are the possible reasons why it's reduced demand. It's really validating whether all of these reasons are true, because it might just be perceived: no money, no access, no need, or not urgent.
100 where we just can't stop. Work is love made visible. Organizations across 9 countries and 4 continents. The blended learning, team engagement, and our podcast to be called Hello World. Talk about habits of excellence, hustling in this VUCA world, entrepreneurship, lessons in running and managing a business, leading people, creating that vision, communicating effectively, have that right attitude, right mindset, the right outlook, no matter what happens around us in life. Great work.
May be experiencing a drop in demand. No, in the food business, this is not the case. So, but let's really assess the drop in demand. And here are the possible reasons why it's reduced demand. It's really validating whether all of these reasons are true, because it might just be perceived: no money, no access, no need, or not urgent. And selling has always been about influencing, although marketing has to also be part of the cross-functional team, because they will have to help out in creating the pitch. Okay? We have to go through each one and check whether, given our target customers and given our loyal customer base, this is really true. No money? Hindi naman. O baka for those who don't have money, baka deliver, use now, pay later, no? And so I have a client in the credit card industry. In fact, yung no money right now can be a very good opportunity for them to push for their financial products and their credit facilities, considering na online selling nga ngayon. Of course, we just have to observe ethical selling here, that we don't push any product that can just deeply send someone in debt. Next one is no access. This is a more valid or more realistic reason. Okay? As production manufacturing companies, no, and JS reinforces earlier, supply chain has broken down. Okay? Well, nagkakaroon talaga ng difficulties in distributing products, no? Logistics companies, no, are really experiencing a surge. I've talked to some logistics companies, and they say that talagang pagod yung mga tao nila, and couple that with the threat or the anxiety of getting the virus, no, so they are also having challenges in having 100% attendance of their workforce. Sa atin naman dyan, dito sa training, how can they still access our training products? You can in fact be inspired by what I'm doing right now, because we still have our product, and the product is the trainer, and the product is the subject matter expertise. It is just the channel by which we're able to send it to our target customers. Look at the way we're delivering it right now, John. You may get some inspiration on this, and how you can use the webinar model, or the online, or the digital, or the e-learning model to really offer your programs to your customers. Although short window na nga lang tayo no? Kasi May, June na nga lang talaga yan, no? So for those who are able to take advantage of this disruption in learning lessons and in experimenting things, they'll be more ready when this pandemic is over. No need ba talaga? No urgency ba talaga? Yung ibang may demand, access ang problema. Yung iba, may access issue na, meron pang perception of no need or not urgent. So services that are non-essential, kaya nga tinawag na non-essential. But if you really want to push for sales, it might be a matter of changing their perception. Patulong tayo sa marketing, change your pitch, or changing your key message, or show the value of your offering. Okay? And now thinking of what Jay mentioned earlier, yung technical demonstration, yung product demonstration, talagang kailangan, or best face-to-face, how can we do that now? Or how can we experiment on new ways of delivering technical demonstrations? Baka kailangan lang i-change yung pitch or key message, no? And you know what? There's no playbook on how to sell during COVID crisis. We are all trying to figure out, and there could be no right or wrong ways here. It's the company who experiments and sees results and builds on successes that may really win this as we go along. Okay? So, baka pa kailangan ipakita what do they stand to lose if they wait.
Hi, this is Louis Banta, CEO and Chief Consultant of LJMB. Thank you for watching my webinar, and to watch more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it to others.